You are an idiot.
I will not tell you.
You are a cheater.
I will not. No, I'm telling you what I will not tell you. But I'm asking you. But I'm asking you today.
Case against you in Mumbai.
But I'm asking you.
Arnab is scared of
I'm very happy. I'm extremely happy. Chill, yeah, relax. Stop screaming. You are looking foolish. You are look. Do you have? What are your links to Zakir Naik?
Very truthful.
What are your links to Zakir Naik? Tell me one thing, Ilyas.
The whole India
Ilyas.
Sohrabuddin murder.
Ilyas.
The whole India knows.
Ilyas.
How Arnab Goswami cheated the fight.
Ilyas, my first question to you is now you are Ilyas.
Yeah, this language is not going to help you and save you from jail. Your ultimate destination is jail. Because you supported Ravan and Ravan ke bacche. So your ultimate destination is jail. You compromise the integrity of journalism, Arnab. You are answerable to your dead father, who was a colonel.
What's your problem?
Will not have any mummy, only will have papa. Future Arnabs will not have any mummy, they will have only papa.
And the Salafis believe in a Sharia law.
Salafis are against
So
ISIS.
will Samir Kaul be so kind as to...
LAGs are against ISIS.
I am telling you, I am telling you,
We are
I am telling
totally
you,
against
I am
ISIS.
telling
You are
you,
blaming wrongly
I am
enough.
telling you,
You are telling lies.
I am telling you,
You are telling lies.
then
You are
you
a
should
liar.
say today that those people,
You are a liar.
then please, press
Cartoon,
competition and thinks
you
he's
are
an
cartoon.
Arab.
You are a buffoon.
That says on the
You are a liar
program
and a
that he
cartoon.
wants to
You are a
Islamicize
buffoon.
India. Press
Cartoon,
competition and thinks
you
he's
are
an
cartoon.
Arab.
You are a buffoon.
That says on the
You are a liar
program
and a
that he
cartoon.
wants to
You are a
Islamicize
buffoon.
India.
ये अगर बाबाराम के नहीं गए तो आसाराम कैसा रेप हो सकता है इनका? कहीं राम आ जाके
आपका दिमाग ही खराब हो गया. आपका दिमाग खराब हो गया.
भी रेप कर दे सकता.
आप जिलानी is responding to it.
मत जाओ लड़कियों को.
I don't want to respond to it. आपको अपने आप इंफीरियरिटी कॉम्प्लेक्स है. आपको मौलाना रशीदी बहुत बड़ी इंफीरियरिटी कॉम्प्लेक्स है. और जब आप देखते हैं कोई सक्सेसफुल मॉडर्न इंडिपेंडेंट मुस्लिम वुमन, इट मेक्स यू इनसिक्योर. आप में अंदर से आप घुटते हैं. नहीं, आई एम टेलिंग यू द ट्रूथ. अदरवाइज व्हाई यू लाफिंग लाइक दैट? यू हैव नथिंग टू से टू मी. हाउ आर मुस्लिम वुमेन वर्किंग विद मेन अन-इस्लामिक? How is a Muslim woman choosing? Rahul Gandhi is supporting you, I know. But wipe that smile off your face. Because do not insult the struggle. Do not insult the struggle.
I get support.
Point number two. Point number two.
I don't want anyone.
A 14-year-old girl is sold to a 70-year-old sheikh for part-time sex for 10,000 rupees, which is divided between the brokers and the middlemen. The girl is on camera. How did you not know? Ilyas Sharafuddin. A 13-year-old...
See, the girl, the sheikhs, the middlemen should be beheaded right on the crossroad as per the Islamic law, like that of Saudi Arabia.
Listen, I'll tell you first of all, to you one thing. To you. Hello. One second. Hello.
No girl will be exploded in ashram,
I'll
temple, or
tell you one.
also.
Don't you ever use the word Islamic law in the context of India. Stop dreaming about it.
Without that, security is not possible, Arnab.
I am telling you, you know what?
Nirbhayas are happening because of that. 2-year-old girl get raped in Delhi because of that.
So why are you living in India? Why don't you go to a country which has Islamic law? You don't believe in our law?
I want to correct India. I want my sisters of Indian sisters to be protected.
Viewers, watch this.
My sisters to be
viewers,
watch
this. Watch
like,
this.
Wow.
Fantastic. Viewers now see, like the peels of an onion, we will reveal the truth. This gentleman, at the end of this program, I want to say one thing to Ilyas Sharafuddin. Never speak about an Islamic law in India. You want to have an Islamic law, you want Sharia,
no security
then you go to the Arab nations.
There will be more and more Nirbhayas.
Go to Syria.
There will be more and more Nirbhayas.
Go join the ISIS.
More and more Asarams.
Take Zakir Musa and yourself and go join the jihadis. Want the legal sanction to flog.
My Indians to be protected. That's it.
We don't need your protection.
You are wrong. You should correct yourself.
You love the Sharia so much.
You want small girls to be raped? What sort of Indian you are?
मगर मेरी एक्चुअली सहानुभूति भी नहीं है इनके साथ और मैं कहता हूँ मैं आपकी तरह ना चिल्ला के नहीं You said that Shazia Ilmi was sold out to vested interests. I want to know that for decades right? 70, 80-year-old men from Saudi Arabia came to your city of Hyderabad, right? And you find it funny. And
save
violated,
for
and
save
violated,
girls for prostitution.
and
More
violated.
than
I am
50
asking you
lakh
a
girls in
question.
India are
I am asking you a
prostitutes.
question. Listen to
save
me.
them from prostitution.
Be
They are
quiet.
coming
Be quiet and listen to my question now.
They are coming and marrying.
Be quiet and listen to my question now. Be quiet and listen to my question
are
now.
coming here
And
to
they use the provision of Nikah Muta.
Prostitution.
And they use the provision of Nikah Muta to violate 12 and 13-year-old girls.
Saudi Arabians never do nikah.
Why were you then
The
quiet?
Iranians do it.
What held your tongue?
The Shias, the friends
Don't
of
give
the
me religious.
Muslims do it.
Don't give me religious
The Muslims never
explanations
do nikah muta.
for
Nikah
for
muta is
supporting
haram.
that immorality.
The
Your
friends of
silence was
Modi do it,
complicity.
the Shia.
Your silence
We
was
don't do it.
complicity. You were complicit in
Nikah
it because you were
is haram.
silent.
I am
Today Muslim women have spoken up. They put you in your place.
I am shouting
They have
this
put you
last
in your
2.5
place.
decades.
The debate.